Dear friends, today I am going to talk about the characteristics of a good cut order plan. A good cut plan should always try to use minimum number of plies or ideal plies. This will reduce the fabric cost as well as the spreading cost. The second characteristic is that we should try to use as many longer markers as possible. The longer the marker, the better the marker efficiency and therefore the lesser the consumption. The third characteristics of a good cut plan is that it should have smaller markers which should be able to utilize all the remnant pieces left over. Let's take a simple example to compare two cut plans and understand which one is a better solution. Let's say an order quantity of 50 pieces. If I am allowed to put maximum 2 pieces in a marker, 50 divided by 2 is 25. So 25 plies is my ideal number of plies or my target where we should achieve while making a cut plan in terms of number of plies. In the first cut plan, as you can see here, there are 4 lays, 34 plies. When we calculate, we get a lay consumption of 1.27 meters with a weighted efficiency of 68.8%. Now let's look at the second case. The second case has 3 lays, 30 plies, 1.17 as lay consumption and 74.2% of weighted efficiency. Now when you look at the two cases, both of them look equally plausible and correct. Both the cases look correct and plausible, but did you see the difference? When we start monitoring every parameter closely, we can see a substantial difference between the two cut plans. The markers have reduced from 4 to 3, a 25% reduction in marker making cost. The number of plies have reduced from 34 to 30. It's an 11.76% reduction in spreading and fabric cost. The lay consumption has come down from 1.27 to 1.17, 7.87% reduction in fabric cost itself. The weighted efficiency has gone up from 68% to now 74%, and 8% further reduction in the fabric cost. And reduction in number of bodies from 6 to 5, a 16% reduction in cutting cost. This is a major reduction, and whenever we compare two alternate cut plan solutions, we should always look at all the individual parameters to make our decision on which cut plan to use on the production floor. In this video, we talked about how to make a good cut order plan. But we must understand that a good cut plan is only a plan on paper. In my next video, we'll discuss about how a good cut plan can also fail and result into huge fabric losses on the production floor. For more informative videos on garment industry, keep a tab on our channel Stitch Diary. Thank you. Today I am going to talk about how cut order plan affects your biggest chunk of cost, fabric.